Welcome to Wednesday, South Florida. The sun is starting to peek out as we look from our Broward camera in Fort Lauderdale. Just a few clouds as we look from that view, and as well from our Key West camera. Temperatures right now sitting in the low 60s, which is where we should be at this time of year. It's a comfortable, cool start, and will be much colder by tomorrow. Wind flowing out of the north, anywhere from 8 to 13 miles per hour. Not as windy as what we've seen the past few days ahead of this cold front. You can see the Arctic air behind it already leading to snow. This is the second time this season we are dealing with a wintry precipitation across the Panhandle and Pensacola, and of course the white is the snow. The pink could mean freezing rain, ice, sleet, and that's stretching in through parts of the southeast and up through the northeast as well. Already seeing those temperatures planting in 20s in Pensacola, 30s in Gainesville and Jacksonville, 40s in Orlando, and freeze watches and warnings have been issued just to our north across central and north Florida, as lows will fall tonight into tomorrow morning to below freezing for several hours. And as we look at the temperatures in the wake of that front, single digits from Minneapolis through Kansas City, 4 in St. Louis, 8 in Memphis. It is colder in Memphis right now than it is up through the northeast and New England areas. We're currently in Boston and New York City. We're seeing the 30s. It's even colder in Houston and New Orleans with the 20s at this point, and 17 in Atlanta. And that's not all. When you factor in the wind chill, it is just brutal. It's dangerous. It feels like 3 in Atlanta. It feels like 2 below in Memphis and 9 below in St. Louis and Minneapolis. And it's all due to this potent cold front. It's leading to the wintry weather stretching up through parts of the deep south, the Carolinas, up through the mid-Atlantic, northeast, New England areas. And we could see anywhere from about 6 to 12 inches of snow through parts of the Carolinas, and up through the northeast New England areas, 3 to 6 inches of snow. Hence, we have these widespread winter warnings, watches stretching from Texas through the Gulf Coast states, parts of Florida, and up through the northeast and New England areas. In terms of airport delays right now in Atlanta, 2-hour delay. The rest of the country is looking okay, but we do have reports of many cancellations, so check in with your airlines, as of course this front and all that winter weather is leading to a travel nightmare. For us today, it will be spectacular 76. That is our average high this time of year with that pleasant breeze, mainly dry. Small craft advisory though for boaters, seas 3 to 6, a moderate chop on the bays, and tonight we'll see that cold air move in with that north breeze. Lows fall to the 40s overnight. So as we take you through the evening, we'll see those 50s, and then overnight lows will dip down to the 40s in Broward and Dade, 50s down through the Keys. With the wind chill though, it could feel like the 30s as we head into the overnight hours. And by tomorrow morning, I know the last time we had a cold blast, my daughters were asking for socks and an extra blanket, so that may be the case again tonight into tomorrow morning. May even be turning on the heater for a bit with the upper 40s. It's cold for South Florida standards, and we'll see the mid 60s tomorrow. Hey, highs in the low 70s Friday, and then those temperatures continue to climb into the weekend. We'll see the mid to upper 70s, 77 by Sunday.